Hi guys, my name is Karthik and welcome back to my channel SettBro. This is the first time I'm showing my face, so I'm a bit nervous, but hopefully things are gonna be well. So in this video, we're gonna see how you're gonna create the share code and which one you would need. So let's begin. Search get a share code on Google. Then select the link which says view your e-visa and get a share code. The link is also mentioned in the description. You can have a look at it. Click on sign in. Now select the document you used to create the UKVI account. I believe it should be passport for everyone by now. But if you haven't linked your passport to your UKVI account, then you can do it ASAP. But I have already uploaded a video which you can check it on this I button. I have linked it there, and also it is on the description below. Let's select your passport and go to the next step. Enter your passport number now. Then your date of birth. Select your mobile number or email to receive the security code. Now enter the security code which you might have received now. So this is the immigration status. By the way, if your info is wrong on this page, then you can contact the UKVI through this link. Click on get a share code. So the share code will be valid for 90 days from the date of creation. So there are three options as you can see over here. So the first one is work placement, and second one is for the landlord, and third one is for the other purposes like driving license or traveling or any other reasons. So this is what the other person is going to see when they verify your visa status. You can also see the summary of your visa on this page and what all things are you're eligible on. Click on create a share code. So your share code is created now. Take a note of it somewhere and you can see the validity date as well. You can use it to send it directly to your email address through this button, or you can save it as well like as a PDF. That's it for the video. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.